Welcome back to our channel. If you're navigating the challenge of limited kitchen space or tiny countertops, you've come to the right place. Here you'll discover clever tips, smart solutions, and creative ideas designed to help you make the most out of every inch in your small kitchen. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Whether you're looking to organize, declutter, or simply maximize functionality, this space is all about transforming tight kitchens into efficient, enjoyable places to cook and create. Let's get started. Rubbermaid Brilliance Meal Prep Containers. These are a smart investment for anyone looking to organize their meals with ease and confidence. These two-compartment containers offer the perfect portion control and separation for your meal components, keeping flavors fresh without mixing. With a 2.85 cup capacity, they're ideal for preparing lunches or snacks ahead of time, helping you stay on track with your nutrition goals. Made from BPA-free crystal clear material, these containers ensure you can easily see what's inside while knowing your food is stored safely. Plus, their airtight and leak-proof design means no mess or spills, making them perfect for on-the-go lifestyles or compact kitchen storage. Overall, they combine convenience, safety, and organization in a sleek package. 5-tier kitchen storage basket. This is a practical and space-saving storage solution for any kitchen, featuring 5 stackable tiers that help you organize fresh produce efficiently. Its sturdy metal wire construction ensures durability while allowing air circulation to keep fruits and vegetables fresh longer. With convenient wheels, this basket organizer is easy to move around, making it perfect for kitchens with limited space or for transporting produce. The stackable design maximizes vertical storage, freeing up valuable counter or cabinet space. This basket system is ideal for anyone looking to keep their kitchen tidy, accessible, and well-organized while adding a functional and stylish touch. Rolling Kitchen Island Cart. This is a highly functional and stylish addition to any kitchen, especially for those who need extra workspace and storage in compact areas. Its portable design, complete with smooth rolling caster wheels, allows you to move the cart wherever you need it. The drop leaf feature provides flexible countertop space, easily extending your work area when needed, and folding down to save space when not in use. Built with durable rubber wood, this cart offers a breakfast bar, 2 spacious drawers, and an enclosed storage cabinet, perfect for keeping kitchen essentials organized and within reach. Rice Dispenser Storage Container. This is a smart addition to any kitchen pantry. Designed to keep your rice and dry foods fresh, organized, and easy to access, its airtight sealed design protects against moisture and pests, ensuring your grains stay dry and flavorful longer. The dispenser includes a convenient measuring cup, making portion control and meal prep simple and mess-free. Its clear container allows you to see your inventory at a glance, helping you avoid running out unexpectedly. Combining functionality and efficient storage, this dispenser is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their pantry and keep staple foods neatly stored and ready to use. Lifewit Silverware Holder. This is a stylish and practical solution for organizing your kitchen countertop or serving area, especially during parties and picnics. Featuring a sturdy metal bracket and multiple compartments, it neatly stores spoons, forks, knives, and other utensils, keeping everything accessible and tidy. Its compact design saves space while adding an elegant touch to your kitchen or dining setup. Perfect for both everyday use and special occasions, this silverware caddy makes utensil organization effortless and enhances your hosting experience by keeping everything you need right at your fingertips. Airtight Food Storage Containers. This is an excellent choice for anyone looking to keep their kitchen pantry neat and food fresh. This 15-piece set features BPA-free plastic containers with secure lids that create an airtight seal, preserving the flavor and extending the shelf life of your dry foods. They are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, making them both practical and convenient. Included with the set are 24 reusable labels to help you clearly organize and identify contents at a glance, making pantry management effortless. Investing in this set means gaining a versatile, space-saving solution that enhances both your kitchen's organization and your cooking efficiency. Acrylic Cabinet Organizer Set. This is a versatile and stylish storage solution designed to keep your kitchen, pantry, or even desk area tidy and well organized. This set of 4 spice rack organizers offers ample space to neatly arrange your spice jars, small bottles, or other essentials, making it easier to find what you need quickly and efficiently. Made from clear acrylic, these organizers provide a modern, clean look while allowing you to see everything at a glance. Their sturdy construction ensures durability, while the compact design fits comfortably inside cabinets, on countertops, or shelves, helping to maximize your available space. Stackable water bottle organizer. This is an excellent solution for anyone looking to efficiently organize large tumblers and water bottles, especially popular brands like Stanley and similar-sized bottles. Its three-tier design stacks neatly on your cabinet, countertop, fridge, or pantry shelf, providing organized storage space that holds up to 9 bottles while maximizing vertical space. Made from clear, durable materials, this organizer allows you to easily see and access your bottles, helping you maintain a tidy, streamlined environment. Upgrade Pullout bread slicer. This is an essential tool for anyone who loves homemade bread and wants perfectly even slices every time. Its foldable bread slicing guide ensures consistent thickness, making your slices ideal for sandwiches, toast, or any recipe. The removable cutting board adds convenience for easy cleaning and storage, while the integrated bread box keeps your bread fresh and within reach. Designed to save space and reduce mess, this slicer is perfect for small kitchens or anyone looking to elevate their bread cutting experience with precision and ease. Buying this means investing in a practical, space-saving accessory that turns bread slicing into a simple, enjoyable task. Large dish drying rack. This is the perfect space-saving solution for kitchens of all sizes, especially those with limited countertop space. Its two-tier design maximizes drying capacity by providing ample room for plates, bowls, and cookware, while the detachable utensil holder keeps silverware organized and easy to access. The included drain board efficiently channels water away, keeping your counters dry and clutter-free. Durable and easy to assemble, this dish rack combines functionality and convenience, making cleanup faster and more efficient. It's an excellent investment for a tidy, well-organized kitchen. Adjustable wall mount spice rack. This is a highly versatile and space-saving solution that brings both organization and convenience to any kitchen. With its 6-tier design, this rack offers ample storage for an extensive collection of spices and small kitchen essentials, allowing you to keep everything within easy reach while freeing up valuable countertop or cabinet space. Its adjustable tiers and dual-use functionality make it suitable for various storage needs. Crafted from durable materials, the rack promises long-lasting use, while its sleek, modern design adds a streamlined, tidy look to your cooking area. Lifewit silverware organizer with lid. This is a highly practical and versatile storage solution designed to keep your kitchen utensils neat, accessible, and protected. Featuring 6 compartments, it offers ample divided space to organize spoons, forks, knives, and other flatware separately, helping you maintain a clutter-free drawer or countertop. The included lid adds an important layer of protection, keeping your utensils clean and dust-free, especially useful for countertop storage or during picnics. Made from durable plastic, its compact design fits easily in most kitchen drawers, but it also stands out as a countertop organizer for quick access. 3-tier serving tray stand. This is a versatile and elegant addition to any kitchen or entertaining space, perfect for showcasing party foods, desserts, appetizers, or even decorative arrangements. Its 3-tier design maximizes vertical space, making it ideal for small countertops or crowded buffet tables, but also adds a charming farmhouse aesthetic that complements a variety of decor styles. Built to be sturdy and durable, this serving tray stand provides ample room for cupcakes, finger foods, and more, allowing you to create an eye-catching display that impresses guests. Each tier offers easy access to treats while keeping your serving area organized and clutter-free. Beyond functionality, this tiered tray stand doubles as a decorative centerpiece. 12-cup pantry storage container. This is an excellent choice for keeping your pantry staples fresh, organized, and easily accessible. Its 12-cup capacity provides ample space to store a variety of dry foods like rice, pasta, beans, or cereal, helping you streamline your pantry and reduce clutter. Made from durable, BPA-free clear plastic, the container allows you to see its contents at a glance. Its airtight seal ensures your food stays fresh longer and resists moisture, pests, and odors, while its stackable design maximizes space efficiency. Overall, This container offers a perfect blend of practicality, durability, and convenience. Bamboo Charcuterie Board Set. This is an elegant and practical choice for anyone who loves to entertain or give thoughtful gifts. Crafted from eco-friendly bamboo, this set includes a beautifully designed cheese platter, serving tray, and utensils that add a touch of sophistication to any gathering. Its versatility makes it perfect for serving appetizers, cheeses, and snacks, while its sturdy construction ensures durability for years of use. Whether you're hosting a party or searching for an ideal housewarming, wedding, or bridal shower gift, this charcuterie board set offers both style and functionality that impresses and delights. Investing in this set elevates your entertaining experience with a natural, timeless appeal. 2-pack under sink organizer. This is an excellent solution for anyone looking to maximize storage space in both kitchen and bathroom cabinets. Featuring height-adjustable 2-tier shelves, these organizers offer versatile and customizable storage options that fit perfectly under sinks where space is often limited and awkwardly shaped. The sturdy metal construction ensures durability while providing ample room to neatly arrange cleaning supplies or other household essentials. By elevating items off the cabinet floor, these organizers create a more accessible and clutter-free space. HIMUS Food Storage Bag Organizer. This is a versatile and efficient storage solution that helps keep your kitchen drawers or walls neatly organized and clutter-free. This 4-in-1 organizer is compatible with a variety of plastic bag sizes, including sandwich, snack, gallon, quart, and slider bags, making it perfect for managing all your food storage needs. Its multi-mount design allows you to place it inside a drawer or mount it on the wall, offering flexible installation options. Made from durable plastic, this organizer keeps bags orderly and easily accessible, improving your kitchen's functionality and enhancing cleanliness. Cisily Black Sponge Holder. This is a fantastic addition to any kitchen sink area, designed to keep your cleaning tools organized and within easy reach. Made from rust-proof 304 stainless steel, this sink caddy is durable and resistant to corrosion, ensuring long-lasting use even in wet environments. Its high brush holder design keeps brushes upright and dry, promoting better hygiene and faster drying. With dedicated spaces for sponges, soap dispensers, and other essentials, it helps declutter your countertop, creating a cleaner and more efficient workspace. This organizer not only enhances your kitchen's functionality, but also adds a sleek, modern touch to your sink area, making it a smart buy for both practicality and style. 4-pack Bathroom Organizer Set. This is an incredibly practical and versatile storage solution for keeping your bathroom, kitchen pantry, or vanity drawers perfectly organized. Featuring 2-tier clear pull-out organizers with smooth tracks, these containers allow easy access to items stored deep inside cabinets or under sinks. The transparent design lets you quickly see all contents, helping prevent clutter, while the sturdy construction ensures durability. Ideal for storing toiletries, cleaning supplies, or pantry items, these organizers maximize space by stacking items vertically. 6-tier Kitchen Baker's Rack. This is an ideal storage solution for anyone looking to maximize space and organization in a small kitchen or corner area. Measuring 31.5 inches, this compact but sturdy rack offers 6 open shelves that provide ample room for storing and displaying spices, cookware, bakeware, and even small appliances like microwaves or coffee makers. Its farmhouse-inspired design adds a touch of rustic charm while remaining highly functional. The open shelving layout allows for easy access and visibility, helping you stay organized and efficient. Sorbus Soda Can Organizer. This is an excellent choice for anyone looking to maximize refrigerator, pantry, or freezer space while keeping beverages neatly organized and easily accessible. Designed to hold up to 12 cans each, these stackable can holders allow you to efficiently store multiple rows of soda or other canned drinks without clutter. The clear, BPA-free plastic design not only ensures safety, but also lets you quickly see how many cans remain at a glance. The included lid helps keep items secure and prevent spills or tipping. The Sorbus Soda Can Organizer enhances your storage capabilities and simplifies beverage organization.